How to uninstall games from Microsoft Store. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall games from the Microsoft Store on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Now, let's get started. First, head over to your library on the left side of your Microsoft Store. Here, you will see the list of your apps and games. For example, I have over here Solitaire Games. But you might notice there is no option to uninstall it directly from here. No worries, to uninstall it, you will need to go to your Start menu, then click on the little cogwheel to access the settings. Once you're in the settings, find and click on Apps. This is where you can manage all your installed application. Now you can use the search bar and at the top of it you can type the game that you want to uninstall. As you can see, you can find it immediately. Click on the app and then hit uninstall and there you go. The app is now uninstalled from your PC. Hopefully, this helps you manage your apps better. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.